Hey traders, Raghee here, and today's message is short and sweet, and that is we are setting up long crude oil positions. And the thing that we want to remember about pullbacks is that terminology, a pullback, a buy the dip. In other words, buying weakness is a uptrend, mostly an uptrend conversation, and we have this double green here, so we most definitely have the uptrend. The other situation would be choppy market after an uptrend where we could buy oversold levels, meaning the floor of the chop. In the context of the trend, it is the pullbacks that give us the opportunity, and it is at the support levels that we want to be buyers. Now, the level we got to today is not the only level. I'd be actually a willing buyer clear down to the 55 exponential. I'm not saying we're going to get there. Frankly, I'm not even saying I want to see us get there. But that entire area is and this is about a 4-point area, is where support for crude oil could come in. Now, considering this is a fairly accelerated market, I'm not really looking for a more conservative pullback. I'm looking for one that's a little bit more shallow. I'm looking for one that may not even touch the 34 wave on the high, but rather just this Darvis, which clearly syncs up with the previous low from October 28th. So I was kind of joking to the members in the rooms today saying, you know, this crash, being completely facetious, in crude oil is taking us down to levels that we haven't seen since last Thursday. So, I mean, I think there's a lot of reason to be bullish here. Now, for traders who want to be a little bit more prudent, who want a little bit more evidence before jumping in long, we could look for a minor low tomorrow or an inside day. That would complete more of a stall / reversal pattern, a small-bodied lower low or a small-bodied middle of the range, somewhere in the middle of this range here. Preferably the halfway mark or lower. So we could look for another pattern, but I think there's a nice aggressive opportunity that's shaping up in CL, which of course then extends the opportunity out to calls in the USO. But the setup is really based on what we see in CL. And that's what I've got here. Remember, structure before strategy, and we're looking to buy the dip. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.